Hi, I'm Dr. Rajeev Agarwal and I'm a consultant IVF specialist at Care IVF, Kolkata. On the 9th of July 2020, at 3 p.m. in the afternoon, I will be speaking at a webinar entitled Enhancing Success Rates in IUI. During this webinar, I will be talking about who are the likely patients who will benefit from getting an IUI done. For these patients, what should be the basic investigations which must be done before doing an IUI for them? Again, while the IUI is on, what should be the stimulation protocol for these patients so that we create at least 2 to 3 follicles for them? How do we monitor these patients? When should we do the IUI for them? And what are the troubleshootings for various problems that we encounter while doing the IUI or the semen preparation or the semen collection? So these are the various aspects that I will be covering during my webinar on the 9th of July. I would like to thank ISAR for such a good initiative, Zydus for supporting this initiative, and DocMode for providing the educational platform. So hope to see you all on the 9th of July.